life doesn't always unfold precisely the same for each and every individual. A few graduate early, while others arrive at marriage later, and some might discover their purpose during unexpected, unforeseen seasons. Regardless of the difference in your journey, many find themselves experiencing pressure and desire to caught up, as if life should be a race in which everyone must be winning all the time. The reality is that you are not truly behind your unique journey. Although your experience may show intentionality and be unfolding in the way it's meant to, you don't have to chase after a comparison with others in order to feel like you're making progress. You don't even have to engage with the comparison-focused mindset yourself. Instead, just enjoy your unique journey, trusting that your timing is not merely an illusion caused by social media or simply a fear of what others might be doing or not doing. Each and every journey in your life has its own distinct rhythm, and it's essential for you to recognize and accept that the growth might be quiet, but it's still genuinely real and meaningful in your life as you go through it. So when you release the comparison with others, you begin to see more clearly what wonderful blessings are present in your journey. Signs that you're not behind but still prepared for the future comprise. Frequently, the greatest progress is undeniable, invisible, and gradual, until it seemingly transforms unexpectedly into something that was needed. According to someone who has successfully withstood similar challenges before, this crucial reminder helps you recognize the dangers of comparing your own timeline to others, including developing anxiety, depression, low self-esteem, impulse decisions, and experiencing feelings of being unworthy of everything you're achieving. When you release the comparisons and allow yourself to see the blessings in your journey, you can also see the importance of your journey as fulfilling and trust that God is not rushing your timeline. Instead, He knows when it's time for you to be ready. Regardless of any challenges or delays that might emerge in your path, focus on your own journey and trust that God is in the process of guiding you as you go along. Let your silence be a gift instead of bringing about unnecessary stress, and celebrate the journey you have chosen, even if it's the quiet steps you take along your way. Before you embark on this journey, trust that you are on your own divine timeline, regardless of any challenges or obstacles that might arise in your life. In conclusion, always remember that your growth is not meant to be a competition with others, but rather a way to mold and shape you into the person God intended for you to be. Keep in mind that your timeline is entirely yours to navigate, and trust that your purpose is far greater than any social media, comparisons, or societal expectations. Embrace your journey and enjoy the growth that fits your purpose.